All right, so it's a Saturday, guys. I want to do it live, but I'm not getting no signal. Rehab been pretty steady. It's pretty packed. There's hundreds of thousands of bikers in here. It is a little warm today. It's like mid 80s here, and we're supposed to get a cold front coming tomorrow, but I'll take this heat today than rain or anything else like we did have last year, right? So here, I'll show you the Strand real quick. I'm already starting to lose my voice because we have to yell over the loud pipes and everything when we talk to our customers, right? So let's see what's going on right here on the Strand Street right now. So tonight they have Jackal down on the seawall, which is on the other side. We got another booth over there, but it's been a long, I'm gonna tell you, long 2 days because we start in the morning like 9. We don't get done until about midnight. By the time we get to sleep, it's about 1. We get up about, let's say 6:30, eat breakfast, and we get out here and we do it again. So, man, we got one more day left, one more day. So we're gonna do some fireball shots. Maybe get me some energy back, right? Hey, we're back. We got more family. They want more shots. Look. We're gonna do more shots. Fireball. Yeah. Okay. All right, we're gonna do another shot, guys. Another shot. All right. Ready? Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers. Alright guys, so this is Buster's Leather right here, all these patches. He's got the pocket machine here that if you guys want to sew your pocket shut, he's got the machine for that too. He's got his Juki over here and his Singer right there. So can you guys tell me what are your magic mushrooms?
So if you've ever done real psychedelic mushrooms, these give you the same effects as them.
Oh wow.
But they're legal.
And it's legal. So
Yep.
They got magic mushrooms on 24th and Strand. What you got? Mushroom, strawberry and chocolate? Is that what that is or
Yeah,
what?
we got chocolate bars and gummies.
Oh wow. And so people can, how much, so what are the prices here for your magic mushrooms?
They're 25 and there comes with 8 gummies in a bag, or there's 8 chocolate squares.
Okay. And where are you guys out of?
We're from Montana.
Montana? You came all the way from Montana? Like the state Montana?
Yep.
Dang. I'd rather be down here though. It gets too cold over there.
It's beautiful. It gets definitely cold up there for sure.
Is there anything up there in Montana to do?
Lots of skiing, snowboarding, fishing,
Okay.
hunting.
I thought there was just cow tipping, so that's more than what I thought. But Montana is a beautiful state. I love it.
It is,
It's a
yes.
very beautiful state. I just don't go in the winter.
Yeah, no. I wouldn't recommend it if you're not from
Montana, don't go there.
Yeah.
So, yeah, well, I'm from Texas, so thank you guys for coming down.
Yeah.
And so what do you think of the rally so far?
This one's been a fun one. This one's
It
been
is
probably
fun.
one of our favorite ones that we came to.
All right, guys, it is Saturday night here. We got our butts handed to us tonight. There's no other way to say this, but we got ransacked. Like, I can't say thank you so much to all our friends and family that came by and supported us, though. Me and Maria are tired. We're like, look. She's got her feet propped up. It's packed. We're right here in the corner of the Strand. Met a lot of new people today. Some subs friends came in, right? Hung out with us. Had some cold beers. Had some fireball shots. And honestly, my dogs are barking, guys. So let's just take a quick look in the Strand and see what's going on a Saturday night real quick. We already saw a little bit of some action. We saw some action here tonight. I don't know what went down. Cops arresting some people. In all fairness, they didn't even look like bikers. Maybe locals, I don't know. But they didn't look like bikers, the people they arrested, so. But yeah, they're starting to party now, guys. Like, Donnie's over here talking to us. And he said, like, right now, everybody's in party mode. It's Saturday night, Lone Star Rally here in Galveston. And everybody just wants to party now. So let's take a quick look and see what's going on, all right?
Alright guys, that's it. We are in Corpus Christi, Texas. I disconnected the RV. I'm getting ready to winterize it. I've already unloaded my truck, and 2025 season is over. Lone Star Rally was great. Final great goodbye for 2025 motorcycle rallies. There's still a few more things that go on around the country, especially Florida, but I do not partake in any of those rallies there. I'm better off heading to the Philippines and enjoying the beautiful weather out there in the Philippines, and probably Bali as well too, guys. So I just want to thank all my friends and family for stopping by, visiting me, and supporting us and Marie Simmons Headbands, guys. And I can't wait to do it again in 2026. But don't be disappointed, because I will be in the Philippines. I'll be doing a lot of videos there, so you guys can check out my travel vlogs as I travel to the Philippines and hopefully other countries as well while I'm out there in Asia. So I hope you guys continue to like, share, subscribe, and let's see where my adventure takes me in these next 3 months before I get back for Bike Week. So guys, once again, thank you for watching. God bless everyone that's been watching and supporting us, all our friends. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you guys. All right, so we want to see you at the next rally and next year, so please ride safe, take care, and God bless, and we'll do it all again in 2026, guys. Peace out. Take care.